So we're day 2 on the carrot house. We've got the boards in now, new decking board. We've put this black membrane on, just to give us a bit more life with the boards hopefully. We've only gone 4 boards deep, so at the minute we're looking at about 21 inch. I think it's going to need that 5th board just to get that depth that we had before. Yeah, it's looking somewhat now. We need to get some more Enviromesh, however garden centres run out and it's going to be 2 weeks before they've got any of that left back in. So just built start of the chicking up for the chicks. They'll be ready to come down in the next couple of weeks, and then just got the kids just enjoying a bit of steak. Alright, until next time, we'll see you later.